Hi, Brigida. So nice to talk to
Hi,
you today.
Alexandra.
Thank you so much for being here. So, I wanted to ask you to just share how I know how you came to me, but to just share to people who don't know how you came to Vital Directives and how we met.
That's about 3.5 years now. I joined in 2017 in May due to a car accident. I was rear-ended, and after a series of treatments with physio, chiro, massage therapy, ending up with an osteopath, where it really kicked in with the treatment and the improvements. And he advised me to do some active work and join your center, your studio, which I then did in May of 2017. And my main issues were bad whiplash from that car accident, with sleeping troubles because of severe headaches, back pain, neck pain, a problem in the lower back from the hips. And I started then working the whole program from Eldua to Maya Fascia and the reformer sessions, and could really immediately, I mean, almost instantly feel an improvement, a change in my whole body, how everything comes together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then the second time around, I mean, it was just at the time when my body was starting to feel better. I had another accident, a fall in February, end of February of last year in 2018, and with a bad ankle, a broken ankle. I ended up with surgery and 4 months of cast, and then I was waiting for the day that the doctor gave me the green light to start again with exercise program. And I joined, I think, in August of last year again to get going again. And the fabulous thing at that time was that the moment I started exercising, it was like the body was click, click, click. Everything came into place what I had learned before. So it wasn't a total restart. And I must say the mobility which I have gained through doing the exercise program at that time, about 3 times a week, it was a very fast improvement. My specialist was amazed how well I have improved. I saw him recently. And when we then came to the pandemic, I always called it a continuation of my previous home. I called my apartment a little prison, so a comfortable prison cell. Anyway, so when the pandemic came, I was so happy when you immediately switched and offered the Zoom sessions for us to do exercise program at home. So I'm very, very grateful for that. And that really gave another kick off. So
Yes. Yes, you made amazing progress even in these last 8 months of lockdown, of
I think, I mean, I say that was a gift in disguise, or how you want to. I mean, it's a gift from the universe. I say this. I mean, as bad as the pandemic is for me personally, with the access to so much exercise classes during the week now, it gives my life structure. I have. I mean, I have immensely improved over the 8 months.
We're talking about the fact that our programs gave you structure over these last 8 months of the pandemic, and that
it gives me a reason to get up in the morning, to not just hang around. I have my two classes per day, and it gives me really something to look forward to, because it's not only for my body, it's my whole psyche, my mind. The whole body system is appreciating it. I mean, I do a lot of meditations as well, so I'm trying to restructure my whole outlook on just the positiveness.
Yes.
To think positive. And the body is self-healing. I can feel it. This morning, for instance, I had trouble with my neck, and within minutes I could let it go. I was first thinking I can't get through the 1 hour, but it was like 5-10 minutes and it was gone.
You made amazing progress, and you also referred one of your good friends to come and join us, and he's making fabulous progress. And you were sharing how it takes time to tell people that you're making such great progress and that it would help them. So what would you tell someone who is reluctant, who's sitting on the fence? What would you tell them?
I always say, try it out. Commit yourself to, I think, 6 weeks, especially now with the weekly, with daily access. So it would be easy to see within 6 weeks a progress already. So, and my friend, she started and stayed. So
yes. It's always.
You have to experience it, but I say it's the whole body gets relaxed, treated. You heal yourself. That's the main thing. It's not. I was never a friend of the gyms with a heavy body, something, and I find them dangerous. I injure myself there, so more than I get out of it. And for us, coming together in a group, and now even though we are in our own homes, we are still seeing each other on the screens and chatting with each other a little bit before. Then we are still a group, although we are all in our homes securely doing it. So it's very soothing for the mind as well, especially in these trying times here with the pandemic.
Yes, we are a community and we all believe in the same thing, and we're having lots of fun, aren't we?
Yes.
While we're doing all this stuff.
With our thumbs up. That's our main sign, so the thumbs up, for we are muted while the session is on. So otherwise it would be more chit-chat.
Yes, and the community also is important, and you expressed that to me before as well, because we don't feel alone, right?
Yeah. You see each other every day, and the group is getting bigger and bigger. For I had noticed at the beginning it was the one off, one in, and now everyone tries to come as often as they can, so depending on their work condition or whatever is going on in their lives.
Yes.
We are sometimes 15 people behind the screen.
And it still feels like we're together, and we're, even though we're separated by many miles, and we have people now from, many different cities.
From different parts of the country, and even countries.
Even countries.
US, and once in a while joining in from Portugal and whatever. Wherever they might be. And my main success was, I was recapping it. I don't sleep with headaches anymore, or hardly. So I don't have to lie flat in my bed anymore. After the accident, the car accident, I could for a long time only sleep totally flat. By now I can have my pillow under the head again. I can once in a while even sleep sideways again. So that was a very, this first few years, I must say, the first 2 years was really a tough time. So, and with my foot, as I said, I can do my little walks again. So I even managed to go on a little hike with my son in the Rockies on a visit here recently. So, which was a very surprising experience that I could do it. Although I had a cane with me, it was possible to go on uneven terrain, so in the bush.
In the bush. That's fantastic.
Nice. That's the thing. It gets better and better every day. So As I
Yes.
said, positive mindset.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you so
and
much.
like you say, my body has changed so much. I can lie flat now on the ground. My hips are opening. I'm still working on the shoulders, but you always say that is because when one thing shifts, the other thing starts shifting as well. So it works its way through the body, through the spine, I guess, and works its way out. So I'm very hopeful that also this problem with the shoulders will dissipate.
Yes.
Mm.
And they will. Now you know that, the body has the capacity to change. So that's how we think.
Yeah.
That's how we think.
Mm.
So thank you so much for
Oh, you're
being
welcome.
so willing to come here with me, just to share your experience and to tell people that it is possible to change. It is possible to feel better. And the pandemic won't stop us, will it?
Yeah. No, the pandemic. We are still on our feet. And that brings me to another point. You always say the feet are your base of the body. And I mean, I've learned that one the hard way when I broke my ankle. So, but I mean, I have so much mobility in my foot now, even in the toes, which had totally been stiff, and I can now move them. Single. Yes, but that's a very good experience, yeah. When you teach the basics in the classes, especially for the new ones. But it is a very good way to get yourself going in the mornings to do the exercises with the ball.
Good. Yeah. And now you know what to do. If something is sore, you have a big bag of tools that work for you. So, and you're using, that's absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much
you're welcome.
for doing this with me. I really appreciate it. And I'm sure someone who needs to hear it, who's ready to change and transform, they're going to
try it out and give yourself a month, 6 weeks, and you it won't take you so long to decide that it's a good one. Normally instantly, it's always almost like the first session and you can already feel an improvement. So
Thank you, Brigitte. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.